Greetings everyone. Welcome to Only Tech Mind, your one-stop destination for all things Excel. Ready to unravel the magic of Microsoft Excel? Whether you're a formula fanatic or just dipping your toes into cells and functions, you're in for a treat. From jaw-dropping formulas to slick data visualizations, we've got it all. And here's the deal. If you're as pumped about Excel as we are, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash that like icon to join our community of tech minds. Get ready to supercharge your skills, one formula at a time. Let's dive in. In this video, I am going to explain a very interesting topic in Ms. Excel. Conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is the automatic formatting of cells based on the values that the cells contain. You can define conditions which, when true, will mean formatting is applied to the cells. If the condition is false, then no formatting is applied. This is very useful for quickly identifying cells that meet certain criteria. For example, conditional formatting could be used to quickly identify all the cells which contain a value greater than 10. What can you use conditional formatting for? This formatting is dynamic and is done automatically as the value changes. Here are just some of the uses which conditional formatting can be used for. 1. Identifying all negative numbers in a range of cells. 2. Identifying all cells that contain a value in a specific range. 3. Identifying all the cells that contain an error. 4. Quickly shading alternate rows or columns. Cells must be numbers and not text for the conditions to work. Left S text, 1, etc. will not be recognized and the conditions will not work. This is a very common mistake. Using conditional formatting. This can be found by selecting Format and Conditional Formatting. You can enter a maximum of 3 conditions per cell. The condition can either be based on the value in that particular cell or based on a formula. Use the first drop-down list to select the type of condition you would like to use. You can create a condition based either on the actual value in the cell or a formula that uses that cell to determine a condition. The order matters. If Excel encounters cells that meet more than one conditional formatting condition, it only applies the first one. Let's assume you want all values over 300 to appear in blue and any values between 200 and 400 to appear in green. For this, you would need to create 2 conditional format statements. The precise formatting will depend on the order in which you define them. If you define less 300 equals blue and 200 very greater than 400 equals green. And the values 300 to 399 will be in blue rather than green, since the first condition is true. If you define 200 very greater than 400 equals green and less than 300 equals blue. You get the correct formatting. Applying to non-contiguous ranges. The range selection to be conditionally formatting can be non-contiguous. In order to make multiple selections, press Shift and F8 after making the first selection. Then highlight the other ranges to be added. Referring to other worksheets. It is possible to refer to other worksheets when you are using cell references in your conditions. This can be achieved in 2 ways. 1. Create a named range for the cell, or range of cells, you want to use. 2. Use a cell reference on the active worksheet that refers to the other worksheet. Now, we will talk about some important aspects. Excel has a limit of 3 conditional formats per cell or range of cells because each conditional format requires additional processing power. If you apply too many conditional formats, it can slow down your spreadsheet and make it more difficult to work with. You can only have a maximum of 64 conditions in 2007. The limit in 2003 is 3. If you want to apply conditional formatting to a large block of cells, it is easier to apply the formatting to just one cell and then copy and paste the format. The conditional formatting will get copied automatically to any new rows or columns that get inserted into a range of cells that contains conditional formatting. Try to avoid applying conditional formatting to an entire column or row, as this will increase the size of your workbook. Only apply it to the necessary range. When 2 rules conflict, the last rule you set wins. The newest rule takes precedence and will appear first in the Rules Manager dialog box. Now I am going to show you how you can do this through an example. And there you have it, Excel champions. I hope you found this tutorial valuable and that it helps you conquer your spreadsheet challenges with confidence. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more Excel wizardry, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of our future tutorials. Got questions or ideas for upcoming videos? Drop them in the comments below. Remember, learning is a journey, and we're thrilled to be a part of your Excel adventure. Thanks for tuning in to Only Tech Mind. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep excelling.